A ripe blackberry murmurs to the wall. Une murmure, murmure au mur.
Get off the bed. Oh, I forgot. He's Mexican. ¡Bájate a la verga! And now I cry in the middle of the night.
Kurt, you are glowing right now. Anyway, can I get a yeet yeet? No, a yeet yeet, Kurt. A yeet yeet!
Full Metal Alchemist! Full Metal Alchemist.
Dandy. Hey. Hey! Hey! Bro! Squeaky, squeaky, squeaky!
Human, can I please eat this?
No.
Uno's hugging my hand and smiling. Oh, you just gave my hand such a big hug.
Hello, Penelope. You can hear me. Oh my god!
Am crying at what my sister sent me.
Want a treat? Just kidding. Oh.
Soup. Hey Frank, do you want lunch? Oh, you already went to Bojangles? You didn't call me? I appreciate that, buddy. I'll see you in a little bit then.
This can't do all this work. I want to say something close.
What, bro? You tired though.
I don't think the door's closed.
Dude, where did you just come from?
My mom was cutting onions and the cat is sitting there like crying. Oh, you okay, darling? It's okay.
You dare speak to me in that tone of voice, boy? Oh, you mother...
You're too stinky. Little pinhead. She's so fat. Oh my god.
Just an otter having the time of its life.
You come here often?
So just systematically peeling away all of the support that's keeping that thing horizontal.
What I love, Nestle Crunch.
Stop being fucking creepy. There's nothing there.
Run in opposite directions to see who your dogs love more.
Hey, don't be surprised if one day I just...
Yep.
Watch me. Bang! Bang! Good bang, Bo. Bang, Callie. Bang, Callie. Yeah!
You want food?
Oh my god!
What is wrong with you? Oh my god!
Oh shit!
What?
Did you just lick me? See, he front on the snap, y'all. He does low-key want to love me. Huh? Ow!
I didn't mean to have it without you. Sometimes I do need to have a shower on my own. I'm just trying to have a night to myself, buddy. You don't always have to be there. I'm sorry, I took that too far. I didn't mean to say that. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to say that. You know I didn't mean it. No, come on, I love you.
Oh, you brought me a flower. Is it for Blossom? It is. Thank you for the flower, buddy. I think she looks beautiful.
What did I say, huh? What did I say? I told you no touchy. Now you suffer the bite of the lion and the clenching jaws of an alligatorade. Wait a second, don't pull the cotton stuck in my teeth.
Oh, nice.
Sunny, come on. Sunny,
Every morning my cat begs for me to do her makeup too. Watch how happy she is.
You're so pretty. Yeah. Okay, you want some blush now? Some blush? Oh yeah. Oh my goodness, you're so beautiful. Uh-huh. Yeah, a little bit right there. Mm-hmm. So beautiful, so beautiful.
I didn't buy you anything at the store. I didn't. Just kidding. Yes, I did. Look what I got. I'm gonna put it together right now, okay? Okay? Okay.